welcome to another trip report. Please excuse my really dishevelled appearance in this particular video. I was up at 3 AM and on a previous video on my channel you'll have seen that I travelled from Geneva to Madrid. That's where I am now, and today I'm flying onwards from here, Madrid to Gran Canaria, Las Palmas. I'm quite looking forward to this. It's been over a year since I tried Iberia Express. It's basically a low-cost, low-budget arm of Iberia main line. Anyway, it's only 10 o'clock and I'm already starting to flag after an exceptionally early start. Hope the shower suites are available in the Terminal 4 lounge here at Madrid, because I could really do with freshening up and it'll give me a kick up the backside for the rest of the day. Right, let's get on with the report, heading to the lounge. Right, in the shower suite here at the Doyle lounge at Madrid Airport. Let's just have a quick look around and see what there is in here. Quite a nicely appointed little suite actually. The suite's nice and clean and basic. Everything that you need is in here, including a nice power shower there with directional nozzles. Do like one of those. Toilet. Towels and toiletries are provided, and of course there's a basin in case you need to freshen up, wash your teeth, whatever. Right, camera off, 10 minutes, let's go to shower. Okay, so just out of the lounge and heading towards the gate now. Boarding starts in about 10 minutes and I'm cutting it a little bit fine. I like to be at the gate about 20 to 30 minutes before boarding so I can get a few incidental shots in there, but it's not happened today because I've got a short layover. A lot of you ask questions about how I manage to put all my flights together, how I build my itineraries, how long I spend in various places. The best thing to do is to follow me on social media, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. The handles are below in the description and on the screen now. Please go and follow me, and of course, like, retweet and share my stuff.
By groups. Please, we ask you to respect the order for boarding. We remind you that due to the limited storage capacity of the aircraft cabin,
he pedido más botellas de agua porque atrás tenemos entonces Las Palmas. Sí. Cámara maestra del tipo de sí. Vale. Estamos ya hechos. Hola, buenos días.
Nada, fenómeno. Así
y muchas más. Gracias por volar con Iberia Express. Buen vuelo. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board. My name is Loretta, one of the passengers of this flight to Las Palmas de Gran Canaria. The flight will be 2 hours and 35 minutes. We would like to give a special welcome to our Grand Express, Iberia Plus, and Airborne members. Captain Fernando Reister and the crew are just...
señores pasajeros. Únete a nuestro Club Express de forma gratuita, donde siempre tendrás acceso a nuestros precios más bajos.
Thank you, goodbye.
Thank you, bye-bye, have a good day.
And that's it. Welcome to Las Palmas de Gran Canaria here in the heart of the Canary Islands, Spain. I've just taken the bus from the airport into the city centre here, and I've got a hotel for the night before I fly off tomorrow on an inter-island hopper to Fuerteventura, and that'll be the subject of a future trip report here on this channel. I hope you enjoyed coming with me as much as I enjoyed making the video. Unfortunately, the weather here is not good enough for me to take my coat off. It's just a little too cold. But anyway, I'll see you next time, and thanks for coming along.